Join me as I take on the challenge of building an unstoppable team trust from scratch today. When we think about high-performing teams, we often think about the skills and expertise of individual team members. But the truth is, there's one crucial element that can make or break a team's success, and that's trust. Without trust, even the most talented individuals can't work together effectively. That's why I want to talk about the critical role of team trust and how to build it from the ground up. Have you ever been part of a team where people avoid sharing their ideas, or where there's a lack of transparency and accountability? That's what happens when trust is lacking. Communication breaks down, and people start to feel like they're working in silos. Morale plummets, and team members start to feel like they're not part of a cohesive unit. It's a toxic environment that can be extremely frustrating and demotivating. When trust is low, people start to doubt each other's intentions, and every decision becomes a struggle. It's a recipe for disaster. Without trust, teams are limited in what they can achieve. They're slow to make decisions, and they're prone to making costly mistakes. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. In some cases, team members may not even realize they're not trusting each other. They may think they're just being cautious or doing their due diligence, but in reality, they're sending a signal that they don't trust their colleagues. This lack of trust can stem from past experiences, cultural differences, or even just a lack of understanding. Whatever the reason, it's crucial to address it head-on. Trust is the foundation of any successful team, and it's up to leaders to create an environment where people feel safe to share their thoughts and ideas. So how do we build this trust? It starts with transparency and vulnerability. When leaders are transparent about their decision-making processes and willing to admit when they don't have all the answers, it sets the tone for the rest of the team. It shows that it's okay to be vulnerable, to ask for help, and to admit when you're wrong. Transparency also means being open about the team's goals and expectations, as well as any challenges you're facing. This helps to build a sense of shared purpose and creates a sense of accountability. One strategy is to implement regular check-ins where team members can share their progress, ask for feedback, and provide support to each other. This helps to build relationships and creates a sense of camaraderie.